Hey everyone, today I want to share with you a 4/8 count simple jam skating routine. Here's the whole thing with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First we have a pivot 90 degrees to your left. Pivot on your toes for 1, 2, and then go back forward. You're going to pivot on your right heel, or no, that's a lie. You're going to pivot back to the front using your right toes and your left heel, like this. 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, and on count 8, you're going to put your left toe stop down. So we have 1, 2, here we go. Bounce left, left, forward, forward, right, forward, left, toe. I'll do that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you're in this position, left toe stop down, you're going to drag back your right foot and start your moonwalk. 1, 2, and then 2 little steps for 3 and 4, and 3 and 4. So let's do that much from this part, from 7, 8. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Now I'll do the whole thing from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. All right, I'll do that again. For those of you who have your skates on right now, repetition is key, so I'm going to do it one more time before I add on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. What's after that? I forget. Let's get into it. 8, 1, 2, and 3 and 4. By the way, your legs are alternating on 2 is your right leg, and 3 is your left toe, and 4 is your right toe stop. So it's 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, okay. Oh, then out of that is a spin. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. You're going to push off of your right toe stop and spin to your right. And that's going to be 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I'm out of breath, yo. So let's start from the beginning of the moonwalk. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. You really have to push off of your toe stop for that spin. So really, beat 5 is you're just skating forward, and then 6, 7, 8 is the spin. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Pull up, 6, 7, 8. That wasn't the full spin, but hopefully you can get it. I'll do it from the beginning one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So, coming out of the spin, You should land with your right leg back in a staggered stance. So let's get into that, and then we'll go on. We have 5 and 6, 7, 8. Make sure your right foot is back on beat 8. So you're ready to do a crazy legs variation. 1, heels together, 2, 3, 4. And then the next 4 beats are dribbles. Left foot back, right foot back, left foot, right. So those 8 counts from the spin, from right after the spin are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do it to the side so you can see. It goes like this. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go from the beginning, yeah? 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then out of this, it's again the variation on the crazy legs. 1, 2. Or no, I lied, it's different. So at the end, after you land like this, it goes 1, and then on beat 2, all of your wheels are still on the ground for the toes to face each other. And then 3, and then 4. So let me break down that move real quick. So coming out of this, you're going to put your heels together, and then in order to put your toes together, I'm putting the weight on my right front wheels and my left back wheels. And then my toes are together. Now I'm alternating. Now it's going to be my left heel and, or no, what is left and right? Now it's going to be my right heel and my left toe. And then again, alternate again. Right toe, left heel. And now right heel, left toe. So again, that is, let's just do those 1, 2, 3, 4 counts of the heels, toes, heels, toes. So starting with your right foot back, 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you really bounce into it. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's only 4 counts after that, so let's just do it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You're already in this pigeon-toed position, so from here you're going to go back on your toe stops for 5. And then make sure that your feet are spread open for beat 5. And actually, let's stop on beat 5 and go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dribble, 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 dribble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get it? Make sure that you, right now, I'll give you a minute to make sure that your toe stops are tightened. Go ahead, get your tools out. Here, actually, I'll show you mine, what mine looks like. Make sure your toe stops are on, because if they, for some reason, aren't tight enough and they come off, and you put all your weight on your toes, it's not gonna be good, yo. So make sure those toe stops are on. I have been in situations where I forget that I'm not wearing toe stops, and it's not pretty. So let's try that all again from the beginning. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, I forgot what's next. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dribble, 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 dribble. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another thing on beat 5, put your body like up and out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because then on beat 6, you're gonna crouch lower, still on your toe stops, you're gonna jump, bring your toes in. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Wait, let me do that in full speed to make sure that was right. I think I added an extra beat. Let's see. 5, 6, wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I did add an extra beat. So it is starting from, let's start from our pigeon-toed position. Knees are bent. This is going to be 5, 6. Beat 7 is your left foot starts rolling forward. And beat 8, you're going to scuff and kick your right foot out. I'll go through that again slowly. So we have the pigeon-toed position. This is for the last 4 counts of the dance. We're almost done. We have 5, 6. On beat 6, my feet are parallel. Let's just do those 2 beats again. So we have pigeon toe, 5, I'm still pigeon-toed, beat 6, parallel. And 7 and 8. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to do the last 4 counts of the dance. So start pigeon-toed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. All right, start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure that on beat 7, you put all 4 of your wheels down so that you can roll. 7, 8. Let's try the whole thing. Woo! Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew, I almost went down there. Want to try it again? Don't be afraid, by the way, to wear your gear. Wrist guards, helmet, knee pads, elbow pads. Okay, hold on. Whew. Oh gosh. Sorry, I just hit the mic. I gotta breathe. Take a breather, eat a snack, drink some water if you have it. We're gonna keep going. Yo, I'm fighting for my life. I'm fighting for my life. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'm gonna do it 1 or 2 more times so that y'all can do it with me. Let's get it. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By the way, if you need a refresher on how to do some of these dance moves, I'll put links in the description below because I have a bunch of tutorials already that I think could help. So let's do it one more time. Actually, before we do it the last time, coming out of the spin, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7. On count 8, what I didn't mention, or I didn't realize I was doing before, was putting my right toe stop down. So there's something that I think will help. One more time, that is coming out of the moonwalk. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So then you're stable and ready to do the crazy legs. 1, 2. All right, here we go. From the beginning, one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good luck with the dance and have fun.